another adventure? Breakfast delivery! Mama!
I'm preparing for danger. Danger? Where? Where? But today, danger came from the sky.
Rainstorm incoming! I need a dry tree hole.
But then something unexpected happened. An animated cartonic character of a South Asian elderly man uses.
Someone's crying!
I'm lost! I can't find my mom!
Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll help you.
We need a safe, dry place.
I see a cave nearby! Rain soup. Rain soup.
There we go, Upsy Daisy. Thanks, Bruno.
You're the best bear.
Hang. She ran when the thunder began.
She must be searching for you.
We should find her. Not my size,
But the storm is too strong! Ah!
The brave rescue team, comprised of African-American female and male members, set out again.
Thank you
so much, Bruno.
It's no trouble at all.
Go, Bruno! Strongest elephant ever!
Help me. Is anyone there? Please help.
Mom?
Thank you. Thank all of you.
Friends help friends. I match the rainbow.
Here, try this watermelon. It's incredibly sweet today.
Oh, thank you.
This is the best picnic ever.
You're my heroes. Heroes work together.
Storms feel smaller when friends stand together.
And so, another brave day came to an end, thanks to friendship.